Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, students, today we are going to start our first chapter, Programming Languages and Generation of Computer. Do you know, in old days, when the first computer was entered in the market, they were using transistors, and then they were started using semiconductor chips. Then gradually they all were shifted to microprocessor. Since all the computers are using microprocessor, so here we are classified our computers according to their sizes. We are going to start largest to smallest. Number 1, supercomputer. Number 2, mainframe. Then number 3, mini computer, and the number 4 is microcomputer. So let's begin.
So students, classification of computer based on their size. Number 1 is supercomputer, number 2 is mainframe computer, number 3 mini computer, number 4 microcomputer. Let's discuss one by one. Here you can see the picture of supercomputer. Children, do you know supercomputer is the most powerful and fastest computer among digital computer. This computer is a special purpose and is capable of handling huge amount of calculations that are beyond human capabilities. It can perform at billion of instructions per second. Supercomputer has the computing capability equal to that 40,000 microcomputer. This computer is most expensive computer. Its cost about 15 to 20 million dollar range. It is used only by large organizations like NASA, universities and government agencies, mainly in the area of defense and weaponry, weather forecasting, satellite communication, nuclear research, etc. It requires large space and temperature controlled room. Examples of supercomputer are NEC 500, Cray X, MP24, etc. Now you can see the picture of mainframe computer. Children, do you know mainframe is large powerful system? Although this system offers high processing power, they lack in flexibility. It is designed for large scale data processing. It is very large in size with area of 1000 square feet. It supports large number of terminals, more than 100 terminals. And it is suitable for big organizations such as bank organizations, hospitals, insurance companies, airlines, railway systems, etc. Here are some examples of mainframe computer: IBM 1401, ICL 39 and Cyber 170. IBM 1401 was the first supercomputer brought to Nepal. So let's discuss about our third computer. It's mini computer. Here you can see the picture of mini computer. Children, do you know mini computer was first released in the 1960s. Mini computer got its name because of its smaller size and cost compared to mainframe. The capabilities of a computer is somewhere between mainframe and microcomputer. For the reason, microcomputer is also called mid-range computer. Like mainframe, mini computer can handle much more input and output than microcomputer. It can support 50 terminals and requires area of around 100 square feet. This computer is useful for small business organizations, industries, banks, universities. Some examples of mini computers are Prime 9755, HCL, CDC 1700, etc. Now let's we discuss about microcomputer. It's very known computer and it is also called personal computer. Here you can see the picture of microcomputer. A computer which is based on microprocessor is called microcomputer. It is a small low-cost digital computer. It requires a small space, can be placed on a table or even kept inside a briefcase. This computer has central processing unit on a single chip. It is mainly used in offices, house, school, shops and store. IBM PC and Apple etc. are some examples of microcomputer. Microcomputer can be further categorized as non-portable and portable. The microcomputer in non-portable category can be personal computer, workstation. The microcomputer in portable category is laptop, notebook, table PC, palm top, PDA, personal digital assistant, etc. Here you can see the picture of personal computer or workstation. These both are non-portable microcomputers. Now here the picture of PDA and palm top. These both are portable microcomputers.
Here are some examples of microcomputer. Microcomputer are very popular. So, the examples of microcomputer are desktop, laptop, mobile phones, game console, embedded computer, tablets, netbook and so on. So, one by one we are going to discuss each example of microcomputer.
A desktop or desktop computer is a personal computer designed to be in a stationary location where all of its components fit on or under a desk or table. PC. The personal computer PC defines a computer designed for general use by a single person. While a Mac is a PC, most people relate the term with systems that runs the Windows operating system. PCs were first known as microcomputers because they were a complete computer but built on a smaller scale than the huge systems in use by most businesses. Another type of computer is a workstation. Here you can see the picture of workstation. A workstation is simply a desktop computer that has a more powerful processor, additional memory and enhanced capabilities for performing a special group of tasks such as 3D graphics or game development. Laptops. Laptops are also called notebooks. Laptops are portable computers that integrate the display, keyboard, a pointing device or trackball processor, memory and hard drive, all in a battery operated package slightly larger than an average hardcover book. Children, here you can see the picture of netbook. Netbook are ultra-portable computers that are even smaller than traditional laptops. The extreme cost effectiveness of netbooks, roughly $300 to $500, means they are cheaper than almost any brand new laptops you will find at retail outlets. However, netbooks' internal components are less powerful than those in regular laptops. PDA, Personal Digital Assistant, are tightly integrated computers that often use flash memory instead of a hard drive for storage. These computers usually do not have keyboards but rely on touchscreen technology for user input. PDAs are typically smaller than a paperback novel, very lightweight with a reasonable battery life. A slightly larger and heavier version of the PDA is the handheld computer. Tablet. A tablet is a thin, lightweight mobile computer that has a touch screen. A handheld computer is a computer small enough to fit in one hand. Mobile devices. Mobile devices or smartphones are a small handheld computer with limited hardware. Embedded computer, like in car computers, built into a car for entertainment or navigation, washing machines, watches, ATM machines, etc. Programmable calculators are small handhelds but specialized on mathematical work. Game console. Game console are fixed computers specialized for entertainment purposes.
So children, this is all about the classification of computer. In next video, we will discuss about programming languages of computer. So children, hope you all like this video. Then stay healthy, stay home. Bye bye.